Assalamualaikum and have a good day to my panel, examiner, supervisor and everyone else who watching this video. Before I get started with my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Shazwan bin Madia. I am a third year student in Bachelor of Electrical Engineering Technology, Industrial Automation and Robotics with honor at UTEM. Today, I'm going to present my Bachelor Degree Project 1 with title Development of Intelligent Cloud System with Internet Application. Okay, hi. Now we talk about introduction. First, we discuss about background. This project concerns about intelligent cloud system by using the Internet application. Internet of Things is involved in Industrial Revolution 4.0, which is using wireless communication application. Wi-Fi or wireless fidelity is the most important thing in IR 4.0 because it can transfer the data to the cloud without direct communication. We can consist that the four kind of problem statement in this situation. Many humans around the world try to prevent virus and disease. With that schedule, in career life, someone not have enough time to clean their clothes. If there is no proper cleaning for the clothes, it become faded and worn. Faded and worn, it cause if rain need dry your clothes with sunlight in many time. In industrial environment, we can consist the air pollution in this particular part of problem statement. Objective of this project is to design the closed system with circulation fan that integrate with humidity sensor to control the sanitize process through the device from the humidity sensor using the application system. And last, to remove and kill bacteria and make clothes hygiene using UV light in 10 minutes. And for the scope of project is an Arduino IDE and Link application as the software that link to the IoT system for get information. And a sensor such as humidity sensor that will be used in this project. And lastly, this project will progress an electronic device that could notice the functionality of the time of ultraviolet spectrum light. This part, we discuss about cost estimating project. We have 9 devices to make an intelligent closet system. The expected output of this project is fully functioning and give connection to the Arduino IDE software React. And second, can use monitor to control all the outcome data. The process of the UV light function in display on the Blink application. Literature review. Literature review is comprehensive summary of previous research of a topic. The first part is wireless communication, which is RFID, radio frequency identification, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Past related work in this topic is smart automated home application using IoT of Blink application, design and implementation of home automation system, and smart farming IoT based smart sensor agriculture. The review history of Internet of Things, security and application, and last benefit using IoT. And lastly, the literature review is hardware review. In this part, we have found the criteria of each hardware we can implement on this project. We can consist at 5 criteria of wireless communication. In this part, we also know the auto make a comparison to the maximum operating range, operating frequency, directional communication, bit rate, and potential user. History of Internet of Things. History and background. Network is wireless interconnect with human. IoT seems to transform most of the exciting industry and provide a lot of new business opportunities. Benefit of IoT. The Internet of Things is promising to interconnect billions of sensors, increase the number of connections to facilitate and fine-tune sensory. Application and security. IoT is making computing and communication mobile and wearable. And the security, this protocol promotes the sharing of data over the network. Hardware review is the major item of equipment of their convenient user for the particular purpose. The auto mentioned Arduino Mega 2560 is consists of 54 digital input or output and 16 analog input. ESP8266 Wi-Fi module is a cost-effective Wi-Fi microchip with full TCP and IP and microcontroller compatibility device. The main sensor is humidity sensor. It's a low power consumption and highly stable device for measurement of humidity. Lastly, about hardware review is ultraviolet germicidal light. UV in the typical environment is sunlight, an artificial source intended to elicit various normal in this project. We need to use the UVC because UVC the wavelength is 180 Newton meter to 330 Newton meter. It can cause of any skin problem and it also can kill germs. Summary of literature review. Overview of hardware such as Arduino Mega, microcontroller and the sensor that will be used in this project. And overview of wireless communication technology that have been used. Now is methodology. Methodology is the system theoretical analysis of the method applied to the field of this project. For this topic is divided by two, which is software and hardware. Software is Arduino IDE and Blink application. Arduino IDE, an integrated development environment, is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. And Blink application. Blink is a new platform that allows you to quickly create interface for controlling and monitoring your hardware project from your iOS and Android. This is hardware part of this project. The Arduino Mega 2560 is a microcontroller board based on the ATmega 2560 datasheet. ESP8266 with 1 MB of bit in flash, allowing the user with single chip device capable of connecting to Wi-Fi. Ultraviolet light of specific the type to use in this project is UVC. UVC choose because some research say that UV had wavelength 180 to 330 Newton meter, which can kill germs and virus. Wavelength means is electromagnetic spectrum between visible light and X-ray. Basically, DC cooling fan function is to take away and remove the odor. DC cooling fan is connected to the Arduino for 5V power source. And the last one is HR202 humidity sensor. It's a sensitive resistor made from organic macromolecule materials to measure and report both moisture and air temperature and give a result in relative humidity percent. Methodology of flowchart consists of three parts, which is flowchart of the project, general flowchart of HR202 humidity sensor, and general flowchart of ultraviolet germicidal light and DC cooling fan. This flowchart is flowchart of the project. This flowchart is based on the flow how the project is running in this semester. Start it, find the supervisor, and the end of this flow is making a conclusion and recommendation about this project. This flowchart will show the step by step to make a HR202 humidity sensor function. For the UV light and DC cooling fan, it consists in one flowchart because the DC cooling fan is running with UV light at the same time. This chart consists of purpose of methodology. Purpose of methodology have three types, which is block diagram, prototype, design project, and circuit diagram. This part is explain how the project running. Block diagram of this project. User need to hang the cloth on the cloth hanger and open the IoT application, and the user can start running the program. Next, the process of the device is humidity sensor must detect of relative humidity in 30%, and the DC cooling fan is automatically on, and the UV light will be running in 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, UV light and other device is stopped running. Lastly, the user can take their clothes and safe to wear. Prototype design. This part is showing the prototype design of this project. The orange part is the main base of this project, because the lamp and all the device sensor it plays. The blue part is for the main circuit, which is Arduino, that plays all connection. The sensor is connected to the Arduino. This slide will explain full detail of this circuit. Firstly, we start with connection of ESP8266 output on Arduino is 3.3V. Is connected to the red line, and the black line is connected to the ground. And for the transmit the data of ESP8266 is use TX and RX port. TX and RX is connected to the Arduino. TX is connected with RX in Arduino, and the RX on the ESP8266 is connected to the Arduino Mega. Secondly, is HR202 humidity sensor. The VCC port connect to the 5V on the Arduino. The ground connected to the ground output. Analog output for HR202 is connected to the analog input on Arduino Mega. After that, the LED light is replaced for UV light. The connection of the red light is anode is connected to the ground output, and for the cathode is made as output is connected to the digital Arduino output. Lastly is DC cooling fan. DC cooling fan is replaced for DC motor, which is green line is connected to the digital as a input, and the yellow line is connected to the ground. Summary of methodology. The vulnerability of each hardware was addressed of verification. two different types of flowchart, which is the project flowchart and the general flowchart. And lastly, of the summary methodology, the activity project based on the Gantt chart and a description of the initial outcome. Preliminary project and development. This slide is show the features of this project. As we can see, have 6 parts to make its application. Firstly is project name and humidity sensor of result with relative humidity. Ultraviolet light turn on in 10 minutes. The timer function is to set time of UV light to turn on. And lastly, it will be display the DC cooling fan is on or off. Conclusion of this project is generally explain the result. After completing the project with integration of software and hardware according to the flowchart that was designed, and the intelligent closet system with internet application will be tested in real time, use whether it is work sequence or not. For the mechanism of cutting process, able to verify the sanitized process. These are the references that are used in this project. Last but not least, I would like to thank to my supervisor for guiding me through this BDP1, and also thank to the panel and examiner for evaluating me. Thank you.